In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo using Elementor, a powerful tool for designing WordPress websites. Whether you're refreshing your brand or simply looking to update your site, changing your logo is an essential task that shouldn't be overlooked. So, let's dive into the process, making it as smooth and painless as possible. First things first, you need to ensure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to your website's URL and append wp-admin to the end. Enter your login credentials to access the dashboard. Once logged in, on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see various options. Look for Templates and hover over it. Here, a submenu will appear, and you're going to click on Theme Builder. This takes you to the area where you can edit different parts of your website. In the Theme Builder section, you'll notice a tab called Header. Click on it since the header is where your logo resides. You might see multiple headers if you've created different templates. Identify the header template you wish to edit and then click the Edit with Elementor link beneath it. This will launch the Elementor editor, which is a truly visual way to make changes without needing to fiddle with code. As the Elementor editor loads up, you'll see your current header design with a range of options on the left-hand panel. Now, let's focus on the logo itself. Simply click on the logo within your header, and this will open a new panel on the left with various customization settings for the logo. You'll see an image section within this panel. Look for the Choose Image button, which lets you upload your new logo. Once clicked, it directs you to your media library showing all the images you've previously uploaded. If your new logo is already there, simply select it. Otherwise, click on Upload Files and choose the logo file from your computer. Ensure your logo is varied in formats like PNG or JPEG for better quality and compatibility. After selecting and inserting your logo, take a moment to review how it looks in the header area preview. Sometimes you might need to adjust the logo size for a perfect fit. To do this, check the sizing options available within the image settings on the left. Elementor provides intuitive sliders, allowing you to tweak the size until it integrates seamlessly with the rest of your header design. Once you're satisfied, don't forget the crucial step of updating. To save your changes, locate the green Update button at the bottom left corner of your Elementor editor and give it a click. This ensures all your hard work isn't lost and your new logo is live for the world to see. That's it. You've successfully changed your site's logo using Elementor. Remember, your logo is a key part of your brand identity, so having it presented professionally can make a huge difference. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you showcase your brand in the best possible light.